Australian dollar continues negative behavior. This is Chris from FXEmpire taking a look at the Aussie dollar. The Australian dollar has firmly broken down below the 0.6450 level, an area that previously has been a major support level. All things being equal, this is a market that sees a lot of noise underneath, and therefore I think the downside's probably somewhat limited in the short term. But I do think at this point in time, you're probably going to be looking at the idea of fading rallies at the first signs of exhaustion. All things being equal, this is a market that will be very closely related to risk appetite, after all. The Australian dollar is considered to be a commodity currency, and therefore it is something that a lot of people will run to when it's time to take on risk and run from when the opposite occurs. The US dollar, of course, is a safety currency, so that's also worth paying attention to as well. In general, I think this is a market that if we do cross back above the 0.6450 level, we might see a little bit more of a recovery. But the 50-day EMA above, I think, would offer pretty significant resistance. Underneath the 0.63 level would be your target. And I would not be surprised at all to see this market reach that level eventually. But we are getting a little stretched to the downside. So I would prefer to short this market after a bounce and signs of exhaustion. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe.